Daily use short sentences in English. Can I come in? Can I come in? Carry on? Carry on?
Look here. Look here. Get ready. Get ready. I am angry. I am angry. I don't know. I don't know. I am fine. I am fine. Don't cry. Don't cry. Taste it. Taste it. Not required. Not required. Be happy. Be happy. Take from this. Take from this. Take a sip. Take a sip. Good idea. Good idea. Let's talk. Let's talk. Take a bite. Take a bite. It's mine. It's mine. Stand still. Stand still. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Clean it. Clean it. Take a bath. Take a bath. Move again. Move again. Look at me. Look at me. Don't fight. Don't fight. Try again. Try again. It's for you. It's for you. I know. I know. Get up. Get up. Don't pull. Don't pull. What happened? What happened? Play again. Play again.